Alright, so DJI is once again making waves in the action camera world. And this time the excitement is all about the DJI Osmo Action 6, a device that's shaping up to be one of the most powerful compact cameras of 2025. After the success of the Osmo Action 4, many creators thought DJI might slow down a bit, but the leaks, insider reports, and fresh details coming out over the past few weeks suggest that the Action 6 is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a full-blown evolution designed to take on the GoPro Hero 13 Black head-on. DJI seems to be rethinking everything from image quality and thermal control to low-light performance, field of view, and stabilization algorithms, all while keeping the same tough, adventure-ready build that has made their Action series so popular among vloggers, travelers, and athletes. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to pack a brand new 1.3-inch sensor, the same size seen on the Action 4, but this time it's been completely re-engineered for sharper details, better HDR, and enhanced dynamic range, giving it a real edge when filming in challenging lighting conditions like sunsets, night rides, or underwater environments. DJI is reportedly pairing this new sensor with a next-gen image processor, one that supports higher frame rates like 4K 120fps and 2.7K 240fps slow motion, allowing you to capture those cinematic moments with incredible clarity and buttery smooth motion. Another big highlight that's grabbing everyone's attention is the RockSteady 4.0 Plus stabilization system. DJI has been known for having some of the best digital stabilization in the game, but now, leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will push this even further with an advanced gyro-assisted correction engine that can adapt in real time to motion intensity. That means whether you're skiing down a mountain, cycling on rough terrain, or filming handheld shots while running, your footage stays perfectly level and stable without the need for a gimbal. And it's not just about hardware. DJI is rumored to be working on an upgraded version of RockSteady 2.0, which now supports full 360-degree horizon leveling, letting you rotate the camera entirely while keeping your video locked to a perfectly flat horizon, something GoPro still struggles with in certain modes. The Osmo Action 6 is also said to include improved heat management, a huge issue that creators have complained about in past models. DJI may be introducing a graphene cooling layer and new thermal dissipation vents, allowing the camera to shoot longer clips in 4K without overheating, which is a massive win for travel vloggers and professionals shooting in hot environments. When it comes to color science, DJI has reportedly fine-tuned its D-Log-M color profile to capture richer tones and greater flexibility in post-production. This means color grading in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve should be smoother and more dynamic than ever. The addition of 10-bit HDR recording ensures that shadows, midtones, and highlights are preserved beautifully, even in mixed lighting situations. Meanwhile, the front-facing display is getting a significant refresh. Sources suggest a brighter 1.6-inch OLED touchscreen with improved touch response, perfect for selfie shots, live previews, or vlogging on the go. The rear display may also be slightly larger, with narrower bezels and higher peak brightness, making it easier to view footage in direct sunlight. And speaking of convenience, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature enhanced voice controls, an AI-powered framing assistant, and a new auto horizon detection mode, features aimed at making filming effortless for creators who don't want to fumble through menus while mid-action. In terms of design, DJI seems to be sticking with the familiar rugged, modular body but with subtle refinements. The camera will reportedly weigh around 145 grams, maintaining portability while boosting durability through a reinforced aluminum alloy frame. The magnetic mounting system introduced in previous models remains, but DJI is rumored to have made it stronger and more secure to handle high-vibration scenarios like motorcycling or mountain biking. The device is expected to be waterproof up to 20 meters without housing, which is a solid improvement over the previous generation. And there's talk of a new mic input port, alongside improved wireless audio support for the DJI Mic 2, a favorite among vloggers for its crystal-clear sound quality. This integration could make the Osmo Action 6 the best all-in-one setup for mobile creators who need both stunning visuals and professional-grade audio without the hassle of external gear. On the software side, DJI seems to be going all in with AI. Rumors point to a smart scene detection system that automatically optimizes exposure, white balance, and stabilization settings based on your environment, whether you're underwater, driving, hiking, or shooting indoors. The companion DJI Mimo app is also reportedly getting a major overhaul, offering seamless wireless transfers, advanced editing tools, and instant color grading templates inspired by DJI's cinematic drone profiles. Another exciting detail is the rumored built-in GPS module, allowing users to overlay speed, altitude, and location data directly on their clips, perfect for adventure and sports content creators. And for those who love to shoot long-form footage, DJI might finally include removable battery packs with extended life, pushing beyond the 160-minute mark at 1080p recording, which would give it a serious advantage over the GoPro Hero 13 Black Dot battery. Performance has been a recurring topic in leaks, and it seems DJI is introducing a new generation Extreme Battery 2.0 that supports ultra-fast charging, possibly up to 70% in under 20 minutes. Combined with a more efficient processor, users could expect much better power management even in cold or high-altitude environments. Connectivity-wise, the Osmo Action 6 will support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, offering faster data transfers and stable live streaming options. DJI may also introduce a live stream mode supporting direct YouTube and TikTok streaming, opening up possibilities for creators who prefer to shoot and broadcast instantly without a smartphone tether. Now, let's talk about price and release date, something that's getting a lot of attention in the creator community. Based on insider reports and early listings from accessory manufacturers, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to launch around end in 2025, placing it strategically before GoPro's next announcement cycle. As for pricing, we're likely looking at $399 to $449 USD, depending on the bundle and storage options. That positions it right in line with the GoPro Hero 13, but with potentially more advanced AI tools, longer recording endurance, and better low-light performance. If DJI nails these features, the Osmo Action 6 could easily become the go-to camera for YouTubers, athletes, and filmmakers seeking reliable 4K performance without the bulk of traditional gear. What's also worth mentioning is DJI's growing focus on ecosystem synergy. The Osmo Action 6 may be fully compatible with other DJI products like the Osmo Pocket 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro, and even the DJI Mic 2, creating a seamless multi-device workflow that allows creators to sync, edit, and publish across all devices through a unified app. This approach mirrors what Apple does within its ecosystem, encouraging users to stay loyal by offering a more integrated experience. The idea of linking your action camera footage with drone shots or gimbal footage without losing color accuracy or metadata is a game changer for travel filmmakers. All in all, the DJI Osmo Action 6 appears to be more than just another refresh. It's shaping up to be the most intelligent, efficient, and creator-focused action camera DJI has ever made. From its improved sensor and RockSteady 4.0 plus stabilization to AI-assisted modes, faster workflow integration, and extended battery life, this camera looks ready to redefine what's possible in the compact camera world. Whether you're a filmmaker documenting your adventures, a vlogger creating daily content, or a professional needing reliable footage in harsh conditions, the Osmo Action 6 might be the all-in-one tool that finally delivers everything you've been asking for. As leaks continue to surface, one thing is clear: DJI isn't slowing down. With every release, they're pushing boundaries, taking on GoPro, Insta360, and Sony with serious innovation, and the Osmo Action 6 could easily be the next big leap in the evolution of compact 4K cameras. Get ready, because once DJI officially unveils this beast, it's going to change how we capture motion forever.